a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.